It's been 3 days since this ride opened up, and I'm finally able to ride it. Toontown has opened up their brand new ride. They're reopening their Toontown pretty soon, but right now, guests can ride the Mickey's Runaway Railway. Runaway Railway. That is not fun to say. I couldn't get in the virtual queue, couldn't get in the lightning lane. Finally got in the lightning lane. I threw caution to the wind, paid an extra $15 for the lightning lane just so I could get on this ride so I can share it with you guys. I'm walking at a brisk pace. I don't want the ride to somehow shut down or be temporarily closed for the day. Personally, did not do any research on this ride. I wanted to go in completely blind. I have no expectations if it's going to be good or bad. I'm assuming it's good. Yeah. Without further ado, let's head to Toontown and ride Mickey's Rhino. I'm not even gonna say it. Ooh, there it is. Check it out. Check this out.
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while it fits this here locomotive?
Not what I was expected to be doing today, but okay.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
How did the wall just disappear like that? That was so cool. It's like so interactive. Don't know how fast this is gonna go. It's a fast ride or if it's more like a dark ride, and I have no idea. This looks like my train.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the floor. Hi, folks. How do you do? Hey, you sure you take good care of our friends. We're literally waiting. What is possible? Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch. have any other plans? Well, heck, niggers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Okay, so it started raining as soon as I walked out of the ride, but that thing was amazing. It actually very much impressed me. I get out of here before the rain gets me. Whew. You guys have got to check out Mickey's Runaway Railway. Haha, I said it. Thanks so much, guys.